Hello everyone, welcome to L3S. Today we'll discuss about analogy reasoning. Analogy reasoning is very important for all type of competitive exam. You can expect 2 or 3 questions from analogy reasoning. And let's get started. First we'll discuss what is analogy reasoning and different type of analogy reasoning important for exams with examples. Then we'll discuss tips to crack analogy reasoning questions, and then we'll do some practices. Let's start. So what is analogy? Analogy means similarity or correspondence or having similar features. Analogy based questions assess your ability to recognize relationship between different things, often using pair of words, numbers, or images. They require you to identify a pattern or connection between two or more elements and to apply the same logic. Choosing the correct options fits the analogy. Then now we are discussing about most common type of analogy questions generally encountered in different competitive exams. Word letter analogies. It will focus on relationship between words. It may be synonyms, antonyms, or letters. Then numerical analogies. It will involve patterns or relationship between numbers, squaring, multiplying, adding, subtracting, etc. Then image-based analogies. It relates images based on their visual similarities or differences. And then general knowledge analogies. It will test your understanding of common facts or concepts or how they relate. And mixed analogies is a combination of two or more type of analogies. It may be word, number, general knowledge, or image based, and they will be mixed. So we have to understand the concept and then relate the correct one. Word letter analogies, as we told, it is a relationship between word or letters. Now we have to identify the logical connections. Synonyms, it may be, one example is here, happy and joyful. Then if it is sad is given, then it will be unhappy. That is the synonyms of sad. Then antonyms, if it is given hot is to cold, and if it is given only day, it will be opposite. So opposite of day is night. So that will be night. Then petal, flower. Petal is a part of flower. So finger, if only given finger, it will be hand, because fingers are part of our hand. Then pen, write. By pen we can write. And if it is given knife, it will be cut. We can cut something by knife. Then degree of intensity, warm, hot, chilly, very cold. That will be related to cold. Now here letter relationship, A is to C, then if only given B, there is a one alphabet is missing in between A and C. So here if we miss one alphabet between B, after B, that will be B, C, and next will be D. So it will be B is to D. Then numerical analogies will be mathematical operations or number patterns. Arithmetic progression, 2 is to 4, and 6 is to 8. Here you can see 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 2 8. So each pair is increased by 2. Geometrical progression, 3 is to 9, 3 square is equal to 9, then 4, it will be 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16, so it will be 16. These are all examples. So multiplication, 5 is to 25, 6 is to 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 6 into 6 is equal to 36, like this. In image-based analysis, we have to recognize patterns, orientation, or part-to-whole relationship in images. Rotation or flip, image 1 is rotated 90 degrees to become image 2. Can rotate, then image 3 must be rotated similarly. Then shape, a triangle becomes a square by adding line, so a circle might become a semicircle with adding details. We will discuss in details in later. Here, general knowledge analysis, it will be based on real world facts, occupation, places, or cultural knowledge. So if doctor is to hospital, doctor worked in hospital, then teacher will be with school. Then hammer, carpenter, then brass will be painter. Hammer is used by carpenter, so brass used by painter, so it will be painter. Now India, New Delhi, capital of India is New Delhi, and if it is given France, it will be Paris. Paris is the capital of France. Then rose flower, rose is a flower. If it is given mango, it will be fruit. Then Mahatma Gandhi, India, and if it is given Mahatma Gandhi is from India, Nelson Mandela, South Africa. It will, because Mandela is from South Africa. It's like that. Mixed analogy. A mixed analogy combines two or more type of analysis, word, number, general knowledge, or image-based in a single relationship. It tests your ability to analyze different logic domains at once. About general knowledge analogy, Einstein is to scientist, then what will be Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a poet, so Tagore will be with poet. Another one, 3 is to triangle, 4 is to heart. If options is 4, because triangle have 3 sides and 4-sided shapes will be either rectangular or square. So whatever the options are there, we can choose that one. There is some more mixed analogy examples. B is to 2 and D is to 1. Now alphabetical position of B is 2. So B is to 2 and alphabetical position of D is 4. So it will be D is to 4. Now tips to crack analogy questions. First we have to identify the relationship. First, understand what connects the first pair. Don't guess. Is it function, category, synonyms, antonyms, quantity, or number pattern? Then use elimination technique. Eliminate obviously wrong options. Eliminate the wrong options. Often 2-3 choices are completely unrelated. Then it will be easy to find the correct one. Out of 4 options, already you eliminate 2 which you are sure it is wrong. Then it will be easy. Look for pattern or categories. Most analogies fall into common group, tools, professional, relationship, material, etc. Then if A is to B is tricky, write B is to A. Just reverse the logic. Then you check. Practice the common pairs. Familiarity helps. For example, king is to kingdom, carpenter is to wood, fish is to water, bird is to air. Practice the common pairs. Example, mango is to fruit, then potato will be what? Now, mango is a fruit we know and potato is a vegetable. So it will come vegetable. Now 3 is to 27, 4 is to what? We know 3 cube is equal to 27, so 4 cube will be 64, so it will be 64. Teacher is to school, lawyer is to court. So teacher worked in school, lawyer worked in court. So it will be court. Just like that. Now let's do some practice. First question. Flower is related to petal in the same way as book is related to flower is related to petal, then book is related to. Options are A. Content, library, author, and pages. It will be 1D on the pages. Flower is made of petals and similarly book is made of pages. So it will be 1D pages. Next question, question 2. Sailor is to compass. Then student is, which one is correct here? Student is to exam. Doctor is to stethoscope. Pen is to officer. Brick is to plumber. A sailor used compass to find the direction. Similarly, student is to exam. Is it correct? No. Pen, officer. Pen is used by officer, but it is in the reverse. If it is officer is to pen, it would have been correct. Now bricks is to plumber. So here it is same. Plumber not use brick, so it is not correct. Now here doctor use stethoscope for checking the patient for heartbeat and breathing, etc. So here question 2 answer will be B, doctor, stethoscope. (27) and 2 is to what? Now here we know we know 3 cube is equal to 27. Now 2 cube equal to 8. So here we can see A20, it is not related to here. 8, we got 8. Then 15, no. Then no. So it will be 8. Now next question. Next question is 30 is to 10 and 45 is to what? We can see 30 by 10 is equal to 3. Now 45 by 3 equal to 15. So is 15 is available here? Yes. Let's see if it fulfills another requirement, another logical pattern. 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. (45) minus 10 is equal to 35. Is it here? No, it is not there. There is no option for 35. So here we have to go with option C, 15. Let's see the next one. Here all are alphabet. DCBA is to WXYZ. Then LKJY. Here we can see D C, B, A. It is one alphabet is decreasing. Minus 1, D, C, E, A. Okay. And here W, X, Y, Z. Here increasing 1. W, X, Y, Z. Similarly, here you can say L, K, J, I. Minus 1, it is decreasing. I, J, K, L. So it is decreasing by minus 1. So here it will be 1 which is increasing 1 alphabets. So SRQP is also decreasing. It is decreasing. Then QPON here similarly it is decreasing. QPON decreasing 1 alphabet. Here we can see QRST. It is similar to WXYZ. It is increasing 1 alphabet. QRST. PONM, it is also decreasing. This is decreasing minus 1. This is increasing plus 1. This is decreasing minus 1. This is decreasing. So here it is increasing plus 1. So this will be the correct answer. Next one, in the English alphabet, B, D, Z is to C, F, J. Here B, E, Z, C, F, J. See the difference. After B, it is C. So this is plus 1. After D, it is E, F plus next two numbers. Then G and J, G, H, I, H, I, J. So this is plus 3. G, H, I, J. Third number alphabet. So here similarly, E, Z, J. What is the plus 1 will be F. Then G, H, I. It will be plus 2. G, H, I. Then J, K, L, M. It will be plus 3. F, I, M. See here, option C is F, I, M. That will be the correct answer. Question 7. BFH is 16. AEZ will be 1. Now here you see BFH. This alphabet is related with the number. Now here you can see what is the alphabetical position of B. 2. What is the alphabetical position of F? A, B, C, D, E, F. 6. What is the alphabetical position of H? 8. This is equal to 16. 2 plus 6 plus 8 equal to 16. Now what is the alphabetical position of A, E, D? A is 1, E is 5, and G will be 7. That will be equal to 13. Is 13 is there in the option? Yes. So that will be the correct answer here. Next, here D is 16 and F will be verb. Now alphabetical position of D is 4 and this is 16. How 4 is related to 16? 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16. Now what is alphabetical position of F? 6. Now if we go 6 square, that is 36. Is 36 is here? Yes, it is 8D. So that will be the correct answer. Thank you. That's all for the practice today. Thank you for joining this analogy reasoning session. We explored various questions and concepts related to analogy reasoning, and it plays an essential role in competitive exams. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more contents. Thank you and best wishes for your preparation.